What are the benefits of Yoruba nation? 1. Our Yoruba identity. We will get our original and God-given Yoruba identity back. We are Yoruba citizens. We are not Nigerian citizens. 2. Our Yoruba language. We will revive our Yoruba language back. This will help in restoring our culture and heritage. Languages are secret codes of communication in our everyday lives. Our kids will be encouraged to speak our language in schools and not be ashamed to speak it. 3. Our passport. We will have our own Yoruba passport. We will be Yoruba citizens and not Nigerians. Other countries now see Nigerians as a terrorist. We are not Nigerians and we are not terrorists. 4. Our currency. We will be able to print our own Yoruba currency with more value. 5. Our resource control. We will be able to control and manage our own almighty God-given resources. 6. Our constitution. We will write our own Yoruba constitution which will define our system of government. The Yoruba parliamentary government. All our kings will function independently and their post will be ceremonial to maintain our culture and traditions. Newly appointed politicians will have to visit the royals for traditional/ceremonial blessing. This way, our kings will earn their respects. 7. Yoruba Prime Minister. Will be invited by the House for questioning/discussion on the state of the economy every week by oppositions. 8. Judiciary. We will have our own Yoruba judiciary system where human rights will be respected. 9. Our security. We will be able to manage the security of Yoruba land. We control our army, navy, air force, police, secret agents, and other security agencies. 10. Immigration. We will be able to manage our immigration systems, whereby we will only allow people with genuine and good intentions to enter into our country. Anyone who violates our laws will be removed through deportation. 11. Our ports. We will be able to manage all our airports, seaports, and land port/borders. Hausa/Fulani will not be able to close our borders anymore. We will also have our Yoruba airways and construct dry port if need be. 12. Our medical care. We will be able to build our medical healthcare system that will be free and effective. 13. Our education. There will be free education for pupils from primary school to secondary school. University loan/grants will be available. 14. Resurrection of Chief Awolowo's Western Region industrial projects. The resurrection of these projects will help to create jobs and end poverty. 15. Yoruba Football Premier League and other sports. Many Yoruba youths are football lovers and full of energy. We will invest in this area to help develop their football career.